As we head into the holiday season, it's important that we take care of our health, including our hearing health. Hearing Life commissioned a survey and found out that 72% of people with untreated hearing loss wish that they would be able to hear better during the holiday season. 43% of people would actually just rather stay home than attend larger holiday gatherings. At Hearing Life, we have launched a campaign called The Magic of Hearing Care, where we want to give away 6 pairs of hearing aids to people in need. If you or a loved one are struggling with hearing loss and would like to regain the joy of hearing during this holiday season, please submit your stories to hearinglife.com/magic.